to this weekend?
I was hoping to check out this really cool beach on the other side of the bridge. I think it's called Anderson Point, something like that, but I'm not really sure what the weather's doing, and it looks so unpredictable every time I check. What about you? What are you up to this weekend?
Well, I am really hoping to go in a lighted boat parade tomorrow, but the weather is so unstable. So I'm actually really interested in trying to predict the weather for tomorrow and figure out if I need to go out and buy Christmas lights or if it's gonna be raining sideways and no one will wanna come with me.
So I thought I'd use my weather station tools to help me predict the weather. I mean, the internet is reliable, but I've got all this knowledge. So the first thing that I want to do is use my anemometer. We use this by counting the rotations. I have a beautifully marked cup, and I hold it up and I wait. And once it goes all the way around, that's one rotation. However many rotations there are in 1 minute is about the wind speed. 2, 3. Well, there's definitely no wind inside the museum. Oh. As you can see, we don't have much wind going on right now. And I'll make sure to write that in my Write in the Rain notebook. All right.
Kayla, I have a question.
Yes.
If it goes backwards, do you take those off?
No, that's not how the wind works.
Okay, just checking.
But now I'm going to grab my other weather tools. Now that I've used my anemometer to check for the wind speed, I'm going to use my wind vane to check for the wind direction. I've used just this real simple straw and ribbon along with my compass to figure out the wind direction. I make sure that my compass is level and pointing north. Then I hold up my wind vane and I wait for the wind to come to let me know which direction it's heading. So far, low to no wind. So it's difficult. That it might be coming from the south, southwest once we get it going. Just waiting for it to do something. Oh, there it goes. It looks like it's coming from the southeast. I'm gonna make sure to write that down as my observation for my wind vane. I have my thermometer to check the temperature of outside. We always count things in degrees Celsius. So I look, here's 0, and the mercury line is about 11, I'd say. 11 degrees Celsius right now. I came inside to check my barometer. I look at my indicator, and it looks like it's pointing up, which means that we have more fair weather going on. And I could see that when we were outside and I saw some blue skies and big puffy clouds. I wonder if it'll stay like this. I wanted to know what kind of clouds we had, and we have these giant windows in the seaport. So looking through, I can see I've got a lot of blue sky and some big puffy white clouds, some nice thin wispy clouds. I wonder what that tells me about the weather. I'm going to use my Write in the Rain notebook to write down all the observations I've taken using my different weather tools. Let's see. Wind speed, less than 10 rotations per minute. Wind direction, south, southeast. My barometer reading, that was going up, so fair weather. Clouds, I saw some puffy clouds, some light clouds, blue skies, and the temperature. The temperature was 11 degrees Celsius. Now that I have all that, I can start making a weather prediction.
We spoke with meteorologist Kristen Clark from Como 4 News, and she told us some great tips on how to turn your observations into predictions or a weather forecast. You can find the full list of tips on our blog. But for now, here's a few to get us started with the observations that we've had today. Dry weather. We also had the barometer rising, which again, dry and so prediction.
I predict smooth sailing.